To me, economics without borders is something where you can do business across boundaries, where there's no restrictions in terms of what you want to do or what you cannot do, but you can just go straight into and do business with your business partners. Katowice Economics University here has done a great job, especially in organizing international speakers from various countries who have different knowledge. This is a great format for most universities. They should emulate, in my opinion.
Well, I think it was an excellent opportunity to meet people from a lot of different places. It's a very innovative project where you get to share the insights and research around the world, see what our commonalities are and what our differences are, but also get to know Poland and this beautiful university.